Today's video is a Texas Chainsaw Massacre unboxing. So let's check it out. I think I'm at 13 copies now of the 1974 movie, which is what I have here in today's unboxing is another copy of the 1974 movie. I actually already own this particular copy, except it's been repackaged with a limited edition slipcover that was designed by Real Synergy Productions. It's limited to 50, so there's only 50 of these slipcovers made for this this copy, and it also comes with a blood-stained map of Texas, so that's pretty cool. I'm all about the packaging, man. And I don't know a lot about Real Synergy Productions, other than the fact that they do put out like exclusive artwork for physical media. I purchased this on eBay from a seller here in Canada, so I like to make purchases here within Canada as much as I can. I just find the transactions are that much easier, and items seem to get to me that much quicker. So I do believe this is a steelbook in here. I think it's a steelbook that I'm quite familiar with. I already have it over here in my collection. And anyway, this is unopened. But I am gonna open it. That's what it looks like. So it's like a combination of Leatherface and I think the Marilyn Burns character. Yeah, that's fucking sick. On the back is a chainsaw blade with the "who will survive and what will be left of them" quote. I'm gonna open this bad boy. There's a sticker on it. Yeah, I'm familiar with this this steelbook. I remember buying this particular steelbook at a Best Buy here. That's where I got it. Here in Canada. Oh hell yeah, this packaging is beautiful. And here's the limited edition steelbook. And here's the map of the blood-stained map of Texas. Oh. It's not the biggest map, but definitely is a map of Texas. Just checking to see if I can find Arlington on here. Arlington, where Pantera came from, which I want to visit one day. I think it's somewhere, yes it is, it's between Dallas and Fort Worth. I found Arlington on the map. Cool. This is pretty cool, and this is definitely a nice touch to throw this in there. I've seen the Texas map on previous packaging, I'm sure, like this one. It has the Texas map in the background. That's where I've seen it before, but I've never seen a copy with a map included, so that is pretty cool. must say I really like the addition of the Texas map. I think that was a nice touch, right along with the exclusiveness of the slipcover. This is like the 13th copy of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie that I now own, and you know, every copy has different packaging and different cover art. You know, I'm a Texas Chainsaw Massacre junkie in that regard, so you gotta appreciate it. Anyway, that is today's video, guys. I'd like to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Here at the House of Strawman Skull, it's all about the preservation and curation of horror and the ongoing devotion, the ongoing search for darkness. With that being said, like, comment, and subscribe.